What's up guys, for today's video ay maglalaro tayo ng hide and seek. Kaya kailangan natin magtago kahit na nag-start na. Kaya ngayon kailangan natin tumakbo. At tayo ng mga okay. Sa clinic ko. Okay, saan yung seeker? Saan yung seeker? Ayun siya. Saan ako? Guys, naghanap lang ako. Dahil sobrang hirap, no? Dahil sobrang hirap maglaro. Hindi ko alam kung saan ito. Sobrang laki. Okay, nakita niya ako. Okay, hindi. Kinakabado ako. Eh. Okay, dito tayo. Ano to? Oh, jumping pa. Hindi niya tayo makita. Uy, look. Hindi tayo makita nun sa sika. Stop. Natin bilisan. Come on now. Okay na. Oh. Wala, nakita na ako niya. Tanong ko. Sobrang hirap na ito. Nice. Thank God, finally. Uy, tayo dito. Best hiding seek ever. Okay. Woo! Yung ulo ko na yung nakikita. Let's go! Okay, dito. Pwede to. Kailangan namin get in the position. No. Okay, guys. We're good. Yes, we're good. Okay. Ano natin siya? Tignan. Malapit siya. Doon tayo banda. Hindi yan ako ng earth and no way, we're actually really good. Uh-oh, you dead. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, girly. Okay, he dead. Okay, guys. 2 more minute. So, kailangan natin galingan. Yeah. Bye! Wow, sino yun? Galing na hiding spot ko. Kaya guys, pag naglaro kayo nito, dito kayo magtatago. Pag dito map. Yeah. Kasi that you call luck. I mean, skill. Okay. May nakita siya guys. Kailan tayo survive ng 2 round. Okay. 2 round lang. Dahil okay, hindi niya nakapay yung isa dahil naglalag siya. Okay. Oops. Okay. Buti na lang, nandito ako. Uy, ba't ako nababa? Dito tayo dapat. Oops. Baba, unti. Baba. May lalaki dito na ako nakita eh. Ayun. May lalaki nga. Oh, come on now. No. Oh no, I think he's... Malayo pa siya guys. Okay, it's so easy. I'm going to buy. This is gonna be win. Free win guys. Okay, pagkain natin itong bacon. Hello. Mag-hello sana ako. Pero sabi ko, hi. Bye. We're actually complete blend in. Come. Okay. Okay, naglalag siya. Naglalag. O ako, hindi ko alam. Let's go. 10 more seconds and we're win. We're winning. Kami touch me. Hello guys. Hello. Okay guys, anong map naman yung natin? Para yung maraming hiding spot. Pag napunta ulit tayo doon, no way. Ooh. Oh, no. Ay, bedroom pala. Please not me, the seeker. Please not me. Okay, just they pass me. Okay. Oh, nice. Ano na lang nakita natin kanina. Kaya kailangan natin ito gawin. Kailangan natin naipakita na mas magaling tayo kaysa sa kanya. Saan tayo? Marami ko yun. Akin to. Saan? Nakitago. Please! Where? Saan? Okay, kinakabahan ako guys. Hindi ko na ako na magtatago. Here, jump there. Jump everywhere. But I don't care. Let's go climb up this. So we can hide some... Hide? What? Think? No? Okay, nice. Good. One. Who is one? Who won? Who won there? Oh, this is a good fast one. One. Whoa! We're up to the sky. Sa taas na kami guys. Uy, dito. Uy, ginagawa mo. I'm the top of the twatwa. Oh, sir. I don't get something. Ouch. Oh. Kaibigan ko nag-join. Let's go. Okay. A bit scared. Is he here? Okay. I think he's going up there. This is the easiest game ever. I mean, I don't know. 3 more minutes. Okay. Just waiting for him to get lost to the woods. Kahit bedroom to. Bedroom ba to? Pero isa lang yung bed. Diba yung dapat yung tawag sa bedroom? Lahat bed. Ito, hindi naman to bedroom. May couch. Sabihin, bed and couch room. Tapos may TV. Bed and couch and TV. And room. And may mga laruan. Bed and couch and TV and toys and statua and flower and computer and drawer and ladder and chair and headset and coin and notebook and book and car and box, I think. Yeah, diba? This nothing look like. Oh, okay, I'm dead. Bye-bye. Okay, did I do that? No. One, get ulan. One. Okay, I'm dead. Okay, I'm dead. What the hell? I'm dead. Bro, it's actually pretty hard. Akala ko maganda na yung hiding spot ko na yun. Pero hindi pala. Hindi ko tinitignan. Sinasabi ko lang yung bedroom na kahit di naman room. Wow. Dapat pala dito ko nagtago. Pati mo sinabi pang-home. One. Oh, one is cheating. How did the seeker not see him? Who won? Okay, I'm freezing that. Okay. Well, I'm lagging, or he's lagging. I don't know. I not care, but I'm lagging. Hintayin na lang tayo matapos yung round at finish na natin yung video dahil talo ko. Kahit sinabi ko 2 round lang, pero natalo pa rin ako dahil sobrang galing ko. Ganun talaga. Pag magaling ka, natatalo ka sa una. Kahit nanalo ka sa una, hindi mo natatalo ka sa second round. Pero pag magaling ka laban mo, panalo ka pa rin. Dahil mahina ka. Joke lang. Okay? No way, hindi ko mahanap yung ito, ang daya nito. Bro, wala nakapunta na dito si Juan. Ba dapat dun yun? Ang bilis na naman. Lumakan siya dun, tas sneaky move, tas umakyat siya dun, tas gumanon siya dun, tas. Okay, so. Bros, Obi Master. Kung dapat ako nag-hide, patay na sana ako agad. Okay, I'm lagging too bad. 3 more seconds, 2 more seconds, 1 more second, 0 more second. Let's go! We lost! Yay! We lost! Okay. Ay, hindi ko na kung nagustuhan nyo ang video ko, don't forget to like and click the notification bell para malaman nyo na kung may bagong video. Okay, bye-bye!